So earlier we have discussed some questions related to clock. Now we will discuss the questions related to time and work. I think all of you have basic idea of time and work. In daily life we used to use this. और आपने 6th क्लास 7th क्लास 8th क्लास में भी टाइम एंड वर्क वाले क्वेश्चंस किए थे. तो आपको कुछ कुछ बेसिक सी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. What is that? Suppose there is a work and there are plenty of people working that particular work and number of days D. So you have to think about which is directly proportional, which is indirectly proportional. That is, if there are two works W1 and W2, W1 and W2, then W1 and W2 are directly proportional to M1 upon M2 into D1 upon D2. You have to learn this, where W means work and M means men and D means day. Let us assume there is a work which is to be done within 10 days. If a person can dig that particular well or can work in 10 days, then in one day how many people can do, how much work may be done? Obviously in one day 1 upon 10th work will be done. So all these things are there. So for those problems you must know the basic concept, that is W1 upon W2 is equal to M1 upon M2 into D1 upon D2. After that I will explain you some combined formula for time and work. This is the basic concept. What is that? How much work one person can do in one day, which is expressed in percent. In one day, obviously, half work means 50%, one third means 33.3%, and so on. So we calculate the combined efficiency. How to do it? इसको मैं example की help से आपको बताने की कोशिश करता हूँ. If a person can do a job in 4 days, another person can do the same job in 2 days, then together they can complete the job in how many days? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस बहुत आते हैं. So here we will discuss about the efficiency. Efficiency of first person is 25 and the efficiency of second person is 50. Why? See, in how many days he complete the work? In 4 days. So in one day how much work he can do? 1 upon 4, that is 1 upon 4 into 100, that is 25%. And the second one can complete his work in 2 days. So in one day he can complete its half of work. So what is the efficiency? Obviously his efficiency is 1 upon 2 into 100, that is 50%. So now since we have got the idea that the efficiency of one person is 25 and efficiency of second person is 50. So together they can finish the work in 4 upon 1 plus 2 is equal to 4 upon 3 days. This is the work of efficiency. You can say the combined efficiency. Combined efficiency will be, that is one, the person who can complete the work in 4 days and another person who can complete the work in 2 days, then the efficiency will be 1 upon 4 into 100 is equal to 25%, and second is 1 upon 2 into 100, that is 50%. As a combined the efficiency will be 75%, and 75% will be what? That is 4 upon 3. तो इस तरह से आप इनके एफिशिएंसी के बेसिस पे क्वेश्चंस निकाल सकते हैं. इसके अलावा भी बच्चों बहुत सारे इजी तरीके हो सकते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस को करने के. तो इसमें ज़्यादा डिटेल में ज़्यादा डेप्थ में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको पता है इफ अ पर्सन कैन कंप्लीट इन n days, so how many days he will complete the work? 1 upon n. So which I have just told you one example. Suppose 10 men can cut a tree in 14 days. Here what is given to you? 10 men cut 8 trees in 14 days. 10 men, 8 trees and 14 days. Secondly, it is given to you in how many days 8 men, if men will be 8. 8 men, 10 trees, and number of days unknown. Means the question is 10 men cut 8 trees in 14 days. In how many days 8 men can cut 10 trees? I have just told you a little formula. You remember W1 upon W2 is equal to M1 upon M2 into D1 upon D2. So whatever is known we just insert there, and whatever is unknown we will insert that also. So first of all, W1 means 8 and W2 is 10. Okay, M1 is 10, M2 is 8, into days 1 is 14, days 2 unknown. Again, just listen. 10 men, this is 10 men, can cut 8 trees. 8 men can cut 10 trees. 14 days, day 2, D2 is unknown. We just simply solve this and it will gives us the value in approximation. D2 will be, see, D2 will be 8 into 8 upon 10 into 10, 8 into 8 into 10, 8 into 8 upon 10 into 10 into 14. So you can calculate. Sometimes it may be in terms of decimal, doesn't matter, क्योंकि दिन तो डेसिमल में नहीं होते. ये मैंने एक ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन ले लिया, इसलिए आपको एक क्वेश्चन परफेक्ट नहीं मिल रहा, लेकिन आप इसको इसी तरह से सॉल्व कर सकते हो. इसके लिए कोई भी एग्जाम्पल और दूसरा भी एग्जाम्पल एज्यूम कर सकते हो आप. नाउ इसी तरह से ये वर्क डन वाले ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. इनको जनरली आप लोगों को 8th क्लास में 9th क्लास में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मिल जाते हैं. बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स भी हैं इसकी. सपोज करो, एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं. इफ ए एंड बी कैन कंप्लीट अ जॉब इन 8 डेज, ए एंड बी कंप्लीट द जॉब इन 8 days, बी एंड सी कैन कंप्लीट द सेम जॉब इन 12 days, ए comma B and C together can do the same job in 6 days. In how many days A and C together can complete the job? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस बच्चों बहुत कंफ्यूज करते हैं, तो इसको हम एफिशिएंसी के हिसाब से ही करेंगे. आपने अब तक के दूसरे मेथड से किया होगा, मैं आपको एफिशिएंसी के हिसाब से बताता हूं. देखिए, अभी अभी मैंने जो पिछला एक एग्जांपल लिया था उसी के बेसिस पे बताता हूं. A प्लस B की एफिशिएंसी क्या होगी? You know, in question it is given to you that A and B can complete the job in 8 days. So 8 days में वो complete job कर रहे हैं, तो efficiency percentage में आती है. In 1 day they can complete 1/8 into 100. Value will we will find the value later on. A and B have efficiency. Let us use the word efficiency of A and B is 1/8 into 100. And similarly efficiency of B and C, B और C की together efficiency कितनी होगी? B and C can complete in 12 days. So 1/12 into 100. This is the efficiency of B and C. And thirdly, it is given to you the efficiency of A, B and C, combined efficiency, and they can complete the job in 6 days. So 6 days means in 1 day they can complete 1/6 into 100. Now we need to find the efficiency of A and C, because it is given to you in how many days A and C together can complete the job. Now simply try to find, try to relate, try to check all these things. Let us relate all these things. We all know that 2A plus B plus C can be written in terms of pairs. That is A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C. I have taken in pairs A and B, B and C, C and A. So when you add them, you will get this result, isn't it? Now simply equate the efficiency. That is, efficiency of A plus B plus C was 100 upon 6. So 2 into 1 upon 6 into 100. देखो एफिशिएंसी के हेल्प से कितनी इजीली हो जाएगा ये. What is the efficiency of A plus B? 1 upon 8 into 100. Plus what is the efficiency of B plus C? 1 upon 12 into 100. What is the efficiency of A plus C? Unknown. Unknown. Let us write here A plus C as it is. Unknown. Now let us calculate it and let us take all the things towards opposite side and subtract. अब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे, सबको इधर ले जाओ. So efficiency of A plus C is equal to you will get the value 200. You can take common. 2 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 12. You will get 100 over here. 100 into LCM will be LCM you can take 24 and there 8 minus 3 minus 2. That is 8 minus 5, 3 upon 24 into 100. 100 into 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 means 25. Or you can say efficiency is 1 upon 8 into 100. तो इसका मतलब A plus, it's not A plus B, it's A plus C. So इसका मतलब efficiency together A plus C will have 100 upon 8. It means they will complete their work in 8 days. इस तरह से आप efficiency के questions कर सकते हो. Clear or not? बार बार देखो, ये A plus B 8 दिन में करते थे तो एक दिन में 100 upon 8. B plus C 12 दिन में करते थे तो एक दिन में 1 upon 12 into 100. A plus B plus C 6 days में कंप्लीट करते थे तो 1 डे में इतने. तो A और C कितने दिन में कर रहे हैं? What is the efficiency? 100 into 1 upon 8. It means they will complete in 8 days. So this way you can solve. चलिए एफिशिएंसी से बेस्ड एक क्वेश्चन और बताता हूं मैं आपको, ताकि वो अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाए. उसके बाद मैं एक दो क्वेश्चंस आपको भी दूंगा, चाहे तो आप यही क्वेश्चन अपने आप कीजिए. 4 men and 6 women working together can complete a work in 20 days. Listen carefully. 4 men and 6 women working together can complete a work in 20 days, while 3 men and 7 women working together will complete the same work in 25 days. In how many days 10 women will complete this work itself? I am giving you 5 minutes to solve this. किसी भी मेथड से आप इसको क्वेश्चन को करिए, उसके बाद मैं आप लोगों को ये एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. I hope all of you have done it. If not done, please listen carefully how to do it. Let the number of men X and number of women Y. So according to question, 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 20 days. So how much work they can complete it in 1 day? In terms of efficiency, beta. Together they can complete the work in 20 days. So in 1 day they will complete 1 upon 20 and their efficiency will be 1 upon 20 into 100, which I have just told you. So efficiency of 4 men and 6 women is 5%. And efficiency of 3 men and 7 women is what? As they complete their work in 25 days, in 1 day they will complete 1 upon 25 and efficiency is 1 upon 25 into 100, that is 4%. Efficiency of 3 men according to question, 3 men and 7 women will be 4%. आपको ये एफिशिएंसी वाली टेक्निक समझ में आ गई? एफिशिएंसी मींस एक दिन में कितने परसेंट काम करते हैं। तो अगर 20 दिन में काम पूरा होता है तो एक दिन में 1/20 काम होगा और उसे 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो परसेंटेज में आ जाएगी। सो नाउ वी हैव गॉट एफिशिएंसी। आई हैव जस्ट टोल्ड यू, लेट अस एज्यूम दैट नंबर ऑफ मेन X and number of women Y. So in terms of efficiency, this question will become, no, it was given to you that 4 men and 6 women. In question it is given to you that 4 men and 6 women can complete the work in 20 days. So efficiency of 4 men and 6 women will be 5% and 3 men and 7 women is 4%. I have just told you that assume the number of men as X, number of women as Y. So in terms of efficiency, this equation will become 4x plus 6y is equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, in second, 3x plus 7y is equal to 4. Now we will solve them. You all know how to solve them. I am giving you few minutes to solve. You can use either substitution method, you can use elimination method, you can use cross multiplication method. I am giving you few minutes to solve and just tell me the answer. I hope all of you have done it. So we have got its answer as x is equal to 11/10, that is 1.1, and y is equal to 1/10, that is 0.1. Now we have got x as 1.1 and y as 0.1. So by this you can easily find that efficiency, x and y beta efficiency थी, efficiency of one woman only. यहां हमने एफिशिएंसी ही ली थी, तो एक लेडी की एफिशिएंसी कितनी है? What I have got for y? 0.1%. It means efficiency of 10 women per day, efficiency of 10 women per day will be what? 10 into 0.1, that is 1%. 10 women की efficiency कितनी हो गई? 1%. So 10 women can complete the job in how many days? 100. You know why? That is 100/1. We all know how to find the work days. 100 अपॉन एफिशिएंसी, एफिशिएंसी से डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है। तो 1 लेडी की एफिशिएंसी आई थी 0.1%, 10 लेडीज की एफिशिएंसी आई 10 into 0.1, 1%. एफिशिएंसी ऑफ 10 वुमेन पर डे इज 1%, यानी कि एक दिन में वो सिर्फ 1% काम करते हैं। तो कितने दिन में वो पूरा काम कर पाएंगे? Obviously 100 upon their efficiency, which I have just told you this formula. So it is little, you will feel little different because earlier you have not solved these type of questions by this way. You have another method और उस method से भी बहुत easily हो जाते हैं, but because it is given to you in your syllabus, that's why I have told you this in terms of the method which is given. You can solve some more questions in terms of efficiency. कोई बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है.